Are you unhappy with your lead time? Are you struggling to manage the complexity of your cloud-native applications? Are your developers overwhelmed or waiting? Are you on a mission to nail platform engineering and build an internal developer platform? Hey, I'm Kaspar from Humanitec, and in this video we're going to dive into what an internal developer platform actually is. An internal developer platform, abbreviated IDP, is a set of tools and technologies that a platform engineering team binds into a golden path to enable developer self-service along the entire lifecycle of an application. By providing developers with self-service capabilities while driving standardization, IDPs significantly boost productivity through a reduction in waiting times, distraction, or manual work for operation teams. A recent benchmarking study we did on platform engineering has shown that IDPs are the single biggest driver to help an organization innovate faster and slashes time to market by an average of 30%. There is no one-size-fits-all design for IDPs. The platform at a larger financial institution in New York will differ wildly from the platform for a startup in New Delhi. There are, however, repeating patterns in the design and the architecture of modern IDPs, and these architectures can be roughly divided into 5 planes. The exact design of those planes differ by organizational preference. First, we have the developer control plane, which clusters the primary interfaces developers can choose to use when interacting with the platform. Such an interface could be a workload specification for a fully code-based interaction, a developer portal or service catalog for a UI-based view, or an API and CLI. The integration and delivery plane contains the flow of a request from the interface all the way through to the running application with all its configured resources. It includes CI pipelines, the platform orchestrator, maybe a dedicated CD system, and sometimes dedicated infrastructure control planes. The resource plane encompasses cloud and on-prem resources. This includes compute, databases, file storage, or DNS. The security plane includes policy layers and secrets management. And lastly, the observability plane, logging, and APM functionality. If you are a developer developing your application with a state-of-the-art internal developer platform, you should be able to self-serve everything you need to build, deploy, and operate your application and resources. It's important to point out that this goes way beyond the creation phase of a service. Well-crafted platforms treat every single deployment like day zero and create application and infrastructure configurations dynamically with every Git push. This ensures consistency and standardization along the entire life cycle of your application. Building an internal developer platform is like building a product, and you should definitely treat it as a product. That means starting small, applying best practices, interviewing your users, and constantly iterating. Thank you for watching this video on what is an internal developer platform. If you want to get started on your platforming journey, go check out our library of reference architectures. You can simply download the one closest to your current setup and get started building right away.